So I realized I needed a straight ahead step platform instead of a 3-step ladder. I didn't want to step sideways, in other words, onto the scaffolding. So I cut off the top of the 3-step ladder, and voila, it even folds up. Have a look. So you unfold it like so. So it unfolds, and then you have the 3-step up to the scaffolding. I'll show you as I step. 1, 2, 3, and up onto the scaffolding. Yes, and then you can see into the bird's nests and everywhere. Look at that, beautiful, beautiful setup. 8-foot long Avery, actually 10-foot long with the other 2 cages. Love it. Ricky Tick 3 saying hello and goodbye.